This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming the outputs and the monitor input so you avoid delays. If you have an older Xbox 360 with AV/component, prepare the component cable. If slim or newer with HDMI, use an active HDMI to VGA adapter. Make sure the adapter is powered if required and that the monitor supports the resolution you'll set. Once done, power off both devices, connect the video adapter to the Xbox, and route the VGA cable to the monitor, while keeping audio cables handy. Now you connect the adapter. Attach the Xbox HDMI or component plug to the converter, then insert the VGA cable into the monitor's VGA port. If the adapter needs external power, plug its USB or DC supply into a live source so the signal is active. Without power, some adapters won't convert. Make sure the monitor input is set to VGA and secure all connectors. Once everything is seated and the adapter powered, turn on the monitor first, then the Xbox to let the handshake occur. With both devices on, you use the Xbox dashboard to pick a compatible resolution. Start at 640x480 or 800x600 if there's no image, then step up to 1280x720 if stable. Adjust the Xbox's HD AV settings to RGB or YCbCr depending on your adapter compatibility. For sound, connect the stereo audio cable from the Xbox AV or the adapter's audio out to the monitor or external speakers and test volume. If colors look wrong, reseat cables and cycle power to force a fresh handshake.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.